Hey fellows, Steve the Amateur Historian, and I'm looking for a really cool old house, and I hope it's not in that big open spot there behind me, because the reason I want to show you this place is because it's drop dead gorgeous. It looks like the kind of house a senator would live in, like in the 1800s. But the last several times I've gone by it, it looks not abandoned so much as just neglected, seemingly forgotten.
Steve the Amateur Historian.
Fooled ya. It's still here. I can see it over these bushes, up over here. And of course, there's something going on there. If people are restoring it, I won't bother it too much, but if no one's there, I want to show you this place up close. Hopefully, I'll get to see this place. I don't know. Obviously not, trespassing. I'm not going to try to get in. Set my bag down there. Just look at this house. I'm trying to give you the full... It's even more beautiful. I'll get a shot from across the street. And it's just so neglected. Ooh, that sinks a little bit right there. And a little bit of tagging. I want to say, yeah, so somebody's maintaining the property. But yeah, they've boarded this off. It's been padlocked. Oh man, people have gotten in there and messed around with it. Wish I could. Yeah, that's too bad. People, because I'm not going to try to get in there. This is not... I'm just trying to pay this place some respect because it's gorgeous. Oh, look at that. You gotta have the old space heater. I'm going to pull out my iPhone real quick because that'll get a better view in here. To the glass. And that looks almost like a kitchen room back there. Fireplace over here. Staircase over there. That's pretty awesome. Look at how rotted some of this wood is. I don't even know if I really want to walk on this. This back sliding door. This place has been neglected for a long time. And the staircase that presumably led down into some kind of a garden. And there's a back door type entry. door's open, I'm not going in because that's probably trespassing. And yeah, good, they boarded this up back here. But just, I'm almost kind of on the lookout. Like, I want to see if anybody's messing with this place, because this home is gorgeous, and it's so sad that it's been left in this state that it's in. And obviously, if I try to go inside, I'm assuming this place is still owned and by somebody who either just doesn't have the time, or, you know, just other things are taking precedence in their lives, and they just can't, you know, dedicate the time to restore this place. But, so yeah, I just wanted to get a look at this place up close, and I really hope they can get whatever is necessary, the time, the funds, the money. Dual fireplaces. There's a fireplace on this side too. And fence there, and a GoPro. And this looks like this is just driveway space to a garage, but yeah. Just wanted to do a quick stop by of this house because I passed it so many times. That's frightening. And I wish it was in, you know, a better state, but it's still here, so, you know, can't complain too bad about it. God, look at that balcony. Like, seriously, can't you imagine, like, George Washington living in this house? Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that little stop. Again, I passed that house so much. It's one of the most beautiful houses anywhere near this part of town. And it has such a like, somebody of importance must have lived here. And I passed it so many times, and I really wanted to take a moment to stop and do some kind of brief video on it, in the hopes that it doesn't fall victim to the demolition crisis that's permeating around here. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed that. Till next time, this has been Steve, the Amateur Historian.